Welcome back to my channel Techno Developers. In this video you will learn that how you can create a calculator which would help you to find out the area and perimeter of various shapes. So let's get started. First I would open online web compiler. There are many options present on internet, but I prefer Replit because of its friendly URL. Now to start building, I would just open my Replit account. So this is my Replit account. You can say here, this is my Replit account. I'm PowerCode32. Now to create an app, first I would click on the create app button, where you will see that there are three options. First is the create with a Replit agent option, where you have to just type we have to just type some words about the app you want to create, and then it would, on that information, it would create an app. The second one is choose a template, which basically works on a language where you have to choose your preferred language. It can be Python, HTML, CSS, JS, C++, C hash, etc. Or you can either import the code from GitHub. So GitHub is basically a code exchange where there are a lot of codes uploaded by multiple users. It's basically a type of a knowledge base. It works on the system of an expert system. I have explained it in the previous video. You can see it. And choose a template. So today we will use this option where we will write our code on our cells with our brain, not any type of Replit agent. So first let's choose the language, which will be Python. Here it's asking me to write the title of the app, so I will write area and perimeter calculator. So this is the title of my app, and as you can see in the privacy section, there are two options: public or private. Here in public option, anyone can view your app, or in the private option, only you can view the app or another person who you have shared with. So for today I will choose the public app option. Now I will click on this create app button. So this is the coding page of Replit. So here we will write the code. Now I would first initialize a variable called as the operand or the operation. I will just use this as a name, and now I will define it. I will use the input command to define it. So with the help of the input command, we can basically take an input from the user. Okay, it enables us to take an input from a user, and here we will not use the string command or the int command, because we here don't have to either take a word or we don't have to take a integer. Int or str are basically used when the value that needs to be input is specified, that it will be either a string or a word or a number, an integer basically. So now I would use the quotation marks. I would write enter A for area of rectangle and B for perimeter rectangle. Now here there's an option, and now I will not use triangle. I will not find the area of triangle or the perimeter of triangle. I would simply find out the area of square. See, the area of triangle needs a different code, and the area of square needs a different code. So here I will prefer area of square. You can also use triangle as an option, but for some timeline issues I can't use triangle. Now E for area of circle and for perimeter of circle. So this is the basic logic behind it. Now let's get started. So this is how it works. Enter A for area of rectangle, enter B for perimeter of rectangle, C for area of square, D for perimeter of square, E for area of circle, and F for perimeter of circle. So this is how it works. Now I would, in the second, I would say if operation equals to A, then what should happen? It is basically condition that if the user inputs A when I ask this question, enter this question, then what I will have to do, then what the computer will do, then simply it would demand the area, or it would demand the area of we will have to give the area of the area of the rectangle. So in this we would specify two more variables, which would be length and breadth, L and B, where the value inputted will be an integer. Hence I would also use the int command here. Int input enter the length, and int input enter the breadth, and after that when A is set the rectangle area of rectangle, then area of rectangle is L into B. So this is basically the formula of the area of rectangle. And asterisk, let me tell you that asterisk is denoted for multiplication, forward slash is denoted for division, plus is denoted for addition, and minus is denoted for subtraction. Now next, I will not use elif here right now. I will use I can use elif, or if also I can use elif here. Now after that in elif I can say if O B, then again I have to demand the length and the breadth, and I will now find the perimeter. So in the perimeter the formula is different, which is 2 into L plus B. That's the formula. So this will be the code. Now for C, it is area, C for area of square. So in C I would again type elif operate if op equals to C, which is area of square, then I would demand the side of the square, and it would print the area, which will be S into S, means side into side, which is the formula for area of square. Now again for D, which is perimeter of square, then I will write elif if OP equals to D, then side equal, it would again ask the side of the square, and to find the perimeter it would be 4 into S, because as you know that there are 4 sides of a square, 4 into and all sides are equal at 90-degree angle, so we will multiply it by 4. Now again, because again for E, where I have to find the area of the circle, So here I will like L if if opposite sorry, if OP equals to E, then then it would demand the radius of the circle, and for that it would find the area of the circle. So let me tell you that 3.3.14 basically represents the pi, and the formula for area of a circle is pi r square, where pi is represented by 3.14, r is initialized in the variable. So 3.14 can also be written as 22 by 7, or 3.1456, because it's the exact amount of when you divide the 22 by 7. So 3.1456 is the exact value. Now after that I would write in again LF for F, where if it would demand again the radius, and hence it would print the perimeter of circle is 2 into 3.14 into r. It means 2 pi r. That's the basic formula of the area of the circle, of the perimeter circle, sorry. And this is our code. As you can see, this green line, it means that there is no single default in my code right now, but it may come ahead, like if I do write this way. Yeah, so it will be counted as a default. Okay, now no, it's not working, I think so. Oh shit, now I have to enter elif. This is the main code. Oh yeah, sorry. So this is the code. This is how it works. Now let's run the code. So you can see that this there are two tabs, main pi and console, here present till now. So main pi is for basically for coding, and console is for testing. So let me tell you that there are various libraries in Python. One of them is main.py. In my previous video I made a simple calculator in Python. In that video, let me remind you that I had made the calculator on main.py, but it can also be made on another library, which would ease the code, because the define because they are initially defined in that library. So now let's start. Enter A for area of rectangle, B for perimeter of rectangle, C for area of square, D for perimeter of square, E for area of circle, and F for perimeter of circle. Here I will write, define A, sorry, yeah. Now let me see what does it give. Yeah, again I have to do it. A, sorry. Now enter the length. Here when I have to enter the length, I suppose enter it as 2, and it is 3. So the area of rectangle is 6. So this is how it works. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, and like this video. Thank you for watching this video. I am Power Code. I am Techno Developer. Thank you.